Hello everyone, welcome to the COVID-19 Dataset Analysis project. In this video, we are going to look at how can we combine the various visualizations we have been creating in the previous few videos into a form of a Power BI report. But just before that, there is a small thing that I wanted to discuss with you all, that in the previous video we saw this particular kind of visualization in which we visualize the total cases by year and country. Okay, so we saw that the date can be created in the form of a hierarchy and we understood its concept, right? There is one way of hierarchies. The other way of how you can organize dates is through a combined fashion. How do you do that? You can just click on this down arrow and instead of date hierarchy, just select date from here. When you do that, what will happen in this particular visualization is that it will show us the date in this format, like April 2020, July 2020, October 2020 and so on, which means the month and the year. It is beneficial for you. Basically it is organized in the form of the quarters itself, so it is easier for you to understand the data and how the changes are occurring in the different countries. Now, as the data labels are looking messy in this kind of a situation, so what I'm going to do is just turn them off. So this is the visualization that we have got. Now let's just combine these all visualizations into the form of a report. We create a new page. The first thing that we need to know is that what kind of a report is this. So for this particular thing, we have to insert a kind of a button or basically a shape that tells us the purpose of the report. That is really important. So I'm just going to add a simple rounded rectangle shape, and this much is okay. Now whatever you want to change about it, its appearance, anything you want, you can just do it here. Like I want to add some text, so let's just add the text, that is COVID-19 dataset analysis. Okay, let's just change its color to a black and increase its size so that it is readable, and make sure that it is on the center from the vertical and the horizontal alignment as well. Now what we need to do is just copy and paste the visualizations and get the best out of them. So let's just go. First of all, we would be working with these cards. Okay, so let's just select them. You can use control click to select the cards, to select multiple cards at the same time. You need to copy them using control C, come to your page 4 and paste them here. Now what we need to do is arrange them. So let's just quickly arrange them so as to take the minimum space and showing the maximum information. The total cases, the new cases and the total deaths. Let's just decrease the size as well. Okay, so these three are arranged. Next we want our pie charts. Now there is a special arrangement in the pie charts, that is they should be available in this kind of a format. So for this particular situation, if you want, you can just group them as well so that they stay combined wherever they go. Okay, so I have grouped them. Let's just copy and paste them here and they are good to go. Now what is the benefit of grouping them is that you can just resize them as well, like this, or if you want you can ungroup them to make any changes, like this. And I'm just going to increase its size a little bit. Perfect. Now let me get this data of the total cases by country in this particular space. Yeah, and then I had this visualization which is the median age by continent and country, and paste it here. And last but not the least, I'm going to get the visualization that is created out of a different instance. So this one, that was created out of a different instance of our Power BI data set that we uploaded. So yeah, you can arrange it over here. Now what I'm going to do is quickly work with all of these titles in here. So let's just do that. Now I have changed the titles like median age by continent and country and this particular title into the middle so that it is much more readable. Now this report is complete. What we are going to do is export it in the form of a PDF so that it is easily shareable. So for that we can go to file and export, go to this export to PDF option, and Power BI will generate a PDF of your report. Now all these 4 pages that are available, those PDFs would be generated so that you can look at them individually and in the combined format as a report as well. So here is the PDF. This is the first page, this is the second page, the third page, and the final report. So that's all. With this we wrap up the whole project. Thanks for watching.